I am the enrollment manager at National Settlement Solutions. We have a team of professional certified consumer debt specialists that have many years in working in all aspects of the debt and credit industry. Our debt specialists work with you to tailor a program that is suited to your debt, your creditors, and your economic circumstances. Our goal is to create a program that will give you peace of mind.
My name is Tom Cahill, and I am the manager of the settlement department and oversee the account managers. Every client is assigned to their own dedicated account manager that will not only help them through the program, but will also personally negotiate the settlement of their accounts with their creditors. Our account managers are people from inside the debt collection industry. Many are former collectors and have personal relationships with many of the creditors themselves. The end result is an informed client that pays a fraction of what they owe to achieve financial freedom. Last year alone, we settled over $20 million in accounts with 2,000 creditors.
Hi, I'm Janet Meads, and